Imagine a missile tearing through the sky at 20,000 kilometers per hour, 16 times the speed of sound, screaming toward a city with only 15 minutes until impact. But here's the part that still blows my mind. We can stop it. Cold. Welcome to the high-stakes world of missile interception, the cutting-edge science that's protecting nations in 2026. The moment a threat is launched, radar locks on instantly. Supercomputers go to work, calculating not where the missile is, but exactly where it's going to be. They're predicting the future with terrifying precision. Then, the interceptor launches. It doesn't chase the missile like in the movies. Instead, it uses something called proportional navigation, a brilliant guidance technique that keeps the line of sight perfectly locked. It's pure geometry. Similar triangles, the same math you learned in school, now deciding life and death at Mach 15. Even if the interceptor is technically slower, if it launches smart and early enough, the target has nowhere to hide. That's exactly how Israel destroyed over 90% of Iran's massive 2026 missile barrage, no matter how many they fired at once. Watch how Iron Dome does it. A rocket arcs toward populated areas. The radar picks it up, the battle computer makes the call in seconds, and then, boom, the sky lights up as the threat is shattered mid-air, from seconds away from tragedy to complete neutralization. But when the threats get bigger, the big boys come out. Russia's S-500 is currently the most feared system on Earth. It can kill ICBMs, hypersonic missiles, and even satellites at 600 kilometers altitude. Its phased array radars can track over 100 targets at once, while its AI predicts and counters every evasive maneuver. When it fires, it unleashes Mach 15 darts that hunt in the vacuum of space. Almost nothing gets through. Then there's America's THAAD, the high-altitude beast. Designed to destroy ballistic missiles at ranges up to 200 kilometers while they're still in space. Its greatest advantage? Satellites that can spot launches from thousands of miles away, giving defenders up to 30 precious minutes of warning. And at the very top of the pyramid sits Israel's Arrow-3, a true space sniper. It can destroy incoming ICBM warheads outside the Earth's atmosphere before they even begin their deadly re-entry. Paired with Iron Dome for short-range threats, it's the reason a small nation can survive barrages of over 1,000 missiles. These aren't just defense systems, they are doomsday cancelers. They turn potential apocalypse into nothing but expensive fireworks. As hypersonic weapons continue to evolve, the real question is who's going to rewrite the rules of the sky next? If this video got your heart pumping, hit that like button, subscribe for more next-level military tech, and tell me in the comments, which system do you think is the most impressive? I'll see you in the next one.